Oh yeah. And I'm doing my very first Zop Power battery. I hope it's good. They're dirt cheap. I think it was like 30 bucks. And we're gonna compare that to that. And we got some new tires for the X-Max. These are not belted, so they're not as heavy. We also got new tires for the Rustler. We'll try them bad boys out. And then we also got some new tires for the other Rustler. All right, let's get started. We're gonna take that and review it to this, see which one's better. This one's not gonna be a fair comparison because that's not in there, that's not in there, and it doesn't do that. I can already tell you that. But let's get this out of the way. Let's set this to the side. Let's go ahead and open this up. You see this? Designed to be tough. Oh, they do say Arrma tough, right? Of course you get the car, it's RTR. Tools, manual, controller. This is going to be so much fun. You know what? Oh man, that's super strong, ain't it? I just think this thing's so cool. It's my first Arrma. And looky there, plastic chassis, no bent chassis. Oh yeah. We're gonna run it on this. So, I don't really care for the plastic drive shafts. I never have, never will. Plastic turnbuckles. It's got shock protectors. IC5 connector. And plastic arms, plastic wheel, everything's plastic. Even the center drive shaft, plastic. Everything is plastic. So that's either gonna be really good or really bad. I'm sure I'll find out. Let's take a look and see what it does. So I'm assuming Arrma made this car to compete with this car. They're almost the exact same in every way as far as size. But I'll tell you why this is not going to be a fair comparison on this channel. This is fresh out of the box, bone stock. Nothing's been changed. This, on the other hand, is not. So this is running a Hobby Wing, ESC and motor, and I've got steel drive shafts in it. I got a different set of tires for it. I do have to fix this because this came unsoldered. And this is running a different receiver as well. So, and this is running metal wheel hexes, not plastic. So, is it really a fair comparison? We'll find out. But I like this one a lot more. I think it looks a lot more beefy. I mean, look at that. Got the Arrma Vorteks out with the Rustler, and then we're just gonna play with the X-Max. They all got new tires on them, so we're gonna see what we can do with them. And now we're gonna play out here in this park. We're gonna do some speed runs, and we're gonna see which one's better, either the Arrma or the Rustler. I tell you right now, that Rustler's stupid fast. We're gonna find out about that one. They're both on 3S. They're both on trackless batteries. They both got full charges. Let's see what we can do. Now this thing here, this is full throttle. That's full throttle.
Whoa.
See the difference. That's only half throttle.
Whoa.
The Rustler is way faster. As a matter of fact, we're going to do a speed check on the Arrma. We're going to speed check that Arrma here in a minute. I already know the Rustler will do about 51 miles an hour before it decides to go crazy and crash. As you can see, 0 miles per hour. It's not very straight, but it is super smooth and super long. We'll easily hit full throttle with this thing because it is a pretty smooth truck compared to that one. That one's a little, it is a little crazy. So we'll see what it does, and we'll let you know what the speed is here in a second. I can tell you, again, that Rustler's wicked fast compared to that Arrma. But durability, I don't know. We'll have to hit some jumps with it and see what it does. Will it break? I don't know.
Let's find out.
That's right. First pass, we did 0.12 miles at 44.4 miles per hour max. That wasn't quite full throttle. There was a car coming. So we're going to do it again and see if we can get this thing up to 50 miles an hour. I can't believe how fast that actually is and how smooth this thing is compared to that. That thing at 50 miles an hour is a handful. This at 44 is a dream. Then it definitely doesn't feel like it's going that fast. So we're going to try it again. I'm going to reset it. There, it's at 0 miles per hour. We're going to see what it does again. That was 2 passes as fast as I could go, and I was on it pretty good for a minute.
And then you almost hit a pole.
Let's see how fast it says. 52.25. Now remember, this is bone stock. I don't have optional gearing or anything in it, so 52 miles per hour. So we just did another full throttle pass, 52.07. I'm pretty sure that's about all I'm gonna get. Optional gearing. It says it'll do 60 plus. I'm assuming that's with the optional gearing. It has a 17 pinion in there now. It comes with the optional 20. It probably will. And this thing is ridiculously smooth. It's just so controllable, where that one is wicked. This one here, the rear toe end on it, it's not adjustable toe on the, I take that back, it is adjustable toe, but this one's leaning in way more than this one, and all I did was change it to the aluminum blocks, and I put different tires on it, and that one's just insanely uncontrollable compared to this Arrma. I love this Arrma. And we broke it. But actually, I don't think we broke it that bad. I may have hit it with my X-Max while we was doing some shots. But if you look, the bearing's still there, the hex is still there. I think it just come unscrewed. But being this is my first Arrma, I'm not sure how these things go together. But we're gonna try to get this fixed and then keep going. short of that, this is a fun little truck. What do you
It is
think?
really. I kept doing sharp turns and that unscrewed when I flipped.
And this is why you're always supposed to bring tools. I don't have the tools to put this back together, but it's a quick fix, I do believe. And then we'll get back out with it. This is a really, really fun car. I can't say enough good things about this Vortex. I think on a level of fun, it's almost as much as that compared to that one over there, that Rustler. I don't like that Rustler, but I like that one a lot. So we're going to take that back and get it fixed, and we'll do a full review on it when we get back. So overall, I mean, you guys seen it run. This thing is an incredible machine. I am actually quite impressed at the price point that this is compared to the Rustler 4x4 VXL. I can't find anything I don't like about it so far. I mean, it even has the what does Arrma call it? Yeah, the AVC. It's a gyro. It's really good, and it's pretty quick. It doesn't feel like it's very fast because of how smooth it is, and that's what's crazy. But I will say one thing. I let my 6-year-old drive it because I thought it was that smooth, and he crashed it, and this motor has come loose. And another thing I didn't know, these drive shafts spring apart, so you don't have to split the chassis, I guess, but that's really cool. I don't like the battery straps because it seems like they're kind of difficult to get this one in because it's right up against the drive shaft. This one's a little easier. Actually, I'll show you. Here you go. He hit a pole so hard. That's what he did to the battery. It just exploded as it was sitting in there like that, and he hit a pole right here, exploded that, and broke the motor. So we'll get that fixed here soon and take it back out. But for what it is, I really enjoy it. Oh, and I was going to run this Zop Power battery, but it doesn't fit. It's too long, just barely too long. So I ordered some smaller ones. They're about that long instead of this. I'll run these and the Rustler. So there's that. But overall, absolutely astonished by how well it performed. If there's something else you'd like to see, let me know. Throw it in the comments. I'm all about trying to show you guys what you want to see and what I think is a really good buy. And this one for sure is 100% a really good buy. This is what I would consider probably the best starter intermediate car you can get. Like I said earlier, comparing it to the X-Max, which you really can't if you're going by size, but the fun level, pretty close to the same. You can nail it and it stays straight. It doesn't want to walk off like this. It just stays straight and it goes. Track's real good. Them tires are really good on grass, concrete, pavement. They're grippy, but they're not too grippy to where if you make a sharp turn, it just rolls. Like these tires here are just incredibly grippy. If you make a turn, it grabs it and it wants to roll. Even those trenchers, same thing, just wants to roll. These have a little slide to them, so I like these tires a lot. And even at full throttle, they ballooned up, but they're still solid. The foam's still in place. No vibrations. That's a heck of a car. But like I said, just let me know what else you want to see, and I'll see if I can make it happen.